Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with Yahoo Mail today, you're not alone. Many users face problems with their email service from time to time. In this video, we'll provide a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and fix common Yahoo Mail issues quickly. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check Yahoo Mail status. Before doing anything else, it's essential to check if the Yahoo Mail service is down. You can visit websites like Down Detector to see if other users are reporting similar issues. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. A corrupted cache can cause issues with Yahoo Mail. Here's how to clear your browser cache. Open your web browser. Go to Settings, usually found in the menu. Look for Privacy or History. Find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select Cookies and Cached Images and Files. Click Clear Data. Step 3. Update your browser. Using an outdated browser can lead to compatibility issues. Make sure your browser is up to date. Go to the browser settings and check for updates, then install any available updates. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Sometimes, browser extensions can interfere with Yahoo Mail. To check if this is the case, open your browser settings. Navigate to Extensions or Add-ons. Disable extensions one by one to see if the problem persists. Refresh Yahoo Mail after each disablement. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If you're still having issues, try accessing Yahoo Mail from a different web browser or device. This can help determine whether the problem is browser-specific or related to your device. Step 6. Check internet connectivity. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. You can do this by restarting your router, trying to load other websites to see if they work. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection or vice versa. Step 7. Disable VPN or proxy settings. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it may be causing issues with Yahoo Mail. Try disabling these services temporarily and see if that resolves the issue. Step 8. Update Yahoo Mail app, mobile users. If you use the Yahoo Mail app on your mobile device, ensure it's updated to the latest version. Go to your device's app store. Check for updates for the Yahoo Mail app. Install any available updates. Step 9. Reset your password. If you're having issues logging in, it might be a good idea to reset your password. Go to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page, click on Forgot Password, and follow the instructions to reset it. Step 10. Contact Yahoo Support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to reach out to Yahoo Support for further assistance. Visit Yahoo's help page to find contact options. We hope these steps help you get Yahoo Mail back to normal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and tech how-tos. Thank you for watching.